Hey learners, welcome to the Skill Valley's course on Lean Six Sigma Green Belt 2022 training. I am Priya and now let's take a deep dive into the introduction for this particular course. So let's understand about the course first. Now we all know that there are several requirements for several job positions in the industry of IT, healthcare, supply chain consulting, manufacturing, engineering, banking, etc. So usually all these requirements need to have the knowledge of Six Sigma Green Belt, which is completely covered in this particular course. Now let's see what is the level of this course. So this is an intermediate level course, which means you need to have certain skills before you begin this particular course. So let's see what all skills are needed before you start this course. You need to have an intermediate understanding of MS Excel formula. Add-ins would be also useful. Along with this, knowledge of graphical features of Excel like charts and graphs is also vital. So now let's move ahead and understand the course objectives. Now, if we see right now, according to the recent polls, depending on the business, those with the Six Sigma Green Belt skills earn more than, let's say, 20 to 30% more than other colleagues who do not have the Six Sigma Green Belt skills. So this course will give you an in-depth coverage of the DMAIC topics, that is the design, measure, analyze, improve and control phases, about the Six Sigma Green Belt course using the quantitative and the graphical tools which are essential to the execution of this DMAIC framework. It will also discuss various methods and tools required for putting each part of this DMAIC framework into practice, including the voice of the customer, critical path methods, MSA, design of experiments, Kaizen, waste reduction and many such topics. Now let's move ahead and see what are you going to learn from this particular course. So you will be able to use the Lean Six Sigma in just about every sector you can think of by taking this course. Various industries are in use of this particular Six Sigma Green Belt instructions which are covered in this particular course. Rapid and effective learning, you will be trained to quickly and effectively use the techniques which will help you save your time. So let's move on to now understand if there are any prerequisites for this particular course. So prior understanding of Six Sigma's white and yellow belt is required to go ahead with this particular course. So let's quickly see who are our target audience. So they are operations or the production managers, Six Sigma starters or professionals, also MBA students. So finally, let's see what would we get at the end of this course. So without any prior Excel experience, you can use MS Excel to apply the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt applications. The Six Sigma Green Belt course will aim you to expand participants' knowledge on quality management and DMAIC framework, graphical and quantitative measures that will become an important component for Six Sigma's green and black skill sets. Now, to work towards the implementation of intermediate MS Excel features such as charts and graphs or statistics formulas built into MS Excel or your relevant dataset significant. So I hope you have understood thoroughly what are we going to cover in this particular course. So let's quickly begin with the course now from the next video. Thank you so much.